Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change home screen layout on HONOR X7d. To do that, you have to perform the pinch gesture on your home screen just like this, and then select layout at the bottom of the screen. Now here you can swap between the original one, the minimalist layout, and the categorized layout. If you select minimalized or categorized layouts, you can also edit them by tapping on this on their icons again. For the minimalist layout, you can change the display screen layout, and for the categorized layout, you can change the categorizing options. Well, there are two, either by heading or by folder. And for both of them, you can use text widget by switching this toggle either to the right if you want it. If you don't, switch it to the left. To apply a new layout, you just have to tap apply in the top right corner of the screen, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.